Hey girlies, it's Augusta. If you are also completely overwhelmed by the makeup industry, or you've ever been into a Sephora or Ulta or store where you are completely overwhelmed by the product selection, or you've tried to find a product on social media and there has been 1 million reviews of this is the best foundation, no this is, you don't know what's a paid ad, you don't know what isn't, you just want what is going to look good on you, then I have the solution to your problem. The platform website of your dreams is here for free. It is Glaim. I built it myself for the girlies. It basically will recommend you your ideal makeup products based on your own facial features, preferences, style and budget, help you avoid any specific ingredients or address any skin concerns. It will match you with products that will have specific formulations that are suited to you and your preferences exactly with the click of a button. All you have to do is click on the link in the description and it will take you to the website where you fill out your profile in under 30 seconds, just putting in your features and appearance and preferences, and then it will generate 10 to 15 of your top makeup matches, but you can always generate more if you want more. It's super easy to use. So the first product that I have purchased using Glaim is this Too Faced Soft Matte Born This Way foundation, and this is the oil control version since I put that I have combination or oily skin. It also matched me perfectly with this shade Porcelain since I put that I am a fair neutral tone, and it has obviously the guide so you can see an example of what your skin shade would be, so you don't have to obviously guess from the words, you can actually use the picture of your exact shade. This saved me so much time from having to go into Sephora and buy it myself. I could literally just click it and purchase it immediately and then get the exact correct shade without having to worry. I have used this before. The first time I used it, I actually did a review on my TikTok, so you can see my first reaction if you want to head over there. But I'm going to show you how much I really love this product and use it for you now as my first product in my makeup routine. I love that the applicator is a nice pump, so I can just pump it directly onto the face as so. And you only need a couple pumps on each cheekbone. Next up, I'm taking my beauty blender. This is the Real Techniques beauty blender, just their classic one, and as you can see I've dampened it, just quickly ran it under the tap so that it's nice and moist, and that way the product will blend in much more easily and seamlessly into my skin. As you can see, it blends super easily and quickly, and it's reducing any redness that I have on my skin since I also selected that I struggle with redness and hyperpigmentation. So when I was building my profile, the AI took all of these issues and concerns into account, that the redness is already cancelled out and the tonation of my skin is so much more even when it's not fully blended this side. Then compared to this side, it's much more red, much more hyperpigmented, whereas here it kind of looks like I have a beauty filter on, when of course I don't. There's no filters used at all in this video. So I'll link Glaim down below for you and you guys can get early access. It's completely free, by the way, no payment at all for the users, and when you go to check out it will take you directly to the Sephora or drugstore sites so you can check out and use the exact prices that they have there without any extra costs. Never forget to blend your base down onto your neck, of course, but honestly this is such a perfect shade match that even when I've hardly blended it you can't even tell. Now that it's all much more blended in, you can see how skin-like, and I'd say this is quite a medium coverage foundation. I did select natural and glamorous, so this is kind of the perfect medium between the two. How perfectly and flawless my skin looks, so much more even toned, and I haven't even done under eye concealer, but my eye bags look a lot less worse than they did beforehand. A hack to make your makeup stay a very long time is to spray setting spray in between the steps as well as at the end. Glaim also recommended me this all-nighter setting spray from Urban Decay, and I'm just going to use it now. a light layer to set the base in place, and so it's gonna last as long as possible. I actually used this yesterday and filmed a TikTok where I tested how well my makeup would last. For reference, I'm living in London and working, so the tube commute and everything was put to the test. A full day of work, and my makeup lasted perfectly for 12 hours with this spray. Obviously I'm going to use this again at the end of the routine, but I thought I'd just let you know so that you can see that I am telling 100% the truth, and Glaim is such a good product match recommendation app. I mean, AI literally scours information from the whole internet, so it's obviously going to be more well informed than one person just doing a little bit of research, and that's just the facts behind it. I really want to film a full makeup routine using only products recommended by Glaim, so let me know if you'd like to see that, because I'd love to film it for you guys and show you a full routine to suit my individual face. The great thing about Glaim is that it factors in that every face is individual, no face is the same, so why should everybody have the same makeup routine? When you're looking at products promoted online, the person that you're looking at will not have the same face as you, so it's way better to use one that is tailored to your own features. That's how you're gonna get the best, most flawless and professional looking results at the end. By taking into account your individual skin texture and skin concerns, Glaim will find you makeup products that mesh well with your individual skin because of their ingredients and specific formulation. It basically does all the hard work for you of trying and testing out countless products. How many times have you been into Sephora or a makeup store, bought a product and just been disappointed or confused or just overwhelmed by the choice? Or if the makeup technician comes up to you and then they're pressuring you to buy a certain product but you don't know if it's actually meant for you. Another round of setting spray after the cream products, of course. I'm already loving how dewy and nice. I feel like my face has so much more life in it than it did before this base product that I applied. And if you know what products you want but you're unsure about how to specifically apply them, or what routine or what order to apply the products, or any makeup queries or questions that you may have, Glaim also has an integrated text chat format assistant that will tell you anything you want to know, explaining it all in simple, easy and condensed steps. You can also favorite any products that you're thinking of purchasing or have purchased to your own personal favorites list. And then you can also mark down the products that you've already purchased or already own, and these will come up into your own separate categories that are automatically formatted for you. And of course I had to make everything super cute, pink and white and aesthetic, because this is made for the girlies. Of course I'm also continuously improving it based on any feedback or queries that you guys have, so feel free to share anything with me. You can DM me, DM the Glaim account on Instagram and TikTok. It's just Glaim_AI, and I'll get back to you, of course, because I want to build a strong community of girlies just supporting each other and honestly just un-gatekeeping the makeup community. I'm thinking of making a community tab if you guys like it, so let me know if you guys would like that as well. But of course all your personal recommendations and everything is completely confidential. Feel free to go ahead and share it with your besties, your friends, your family, anyone who loves makeup. Anyone who just uses makeup can use it. It's meant for everyone, no matter what your skill level is. It takes that into account, so do not be shy. Please just share it with whoever you like, and hopefully you guys can experience this great product together. My inbox is always open. You guys can always message me if you have any questions or concerns, or comment them below about how to use Glaim. The other great thing is that if your preference or style changes at any time, you can just simply update your profile and then it will give you a whole new list of recommendations. And if you happen to have purchased them all or want some new ones, you can just generate some more. Because it's AI based, it's basically infinite in the capabilities that you can access. It's honestly a great tool to use whenever you want to do a new makeup look or try out a new product or buy a new product. You can use the AI assistant. You can even go on your phone when you're in Sephora and quickly look something up. It's just so easy to use on the go, get quick responses on the text like chat or product recommendations that you want. One last spritz of that setting spray. and now I know it's gonna last me until the moment that I take it off. Let me know if you want to see a full makeup routine done by Glaim, or you have any questions below. Don't forget to follow along to hear first about the latest launches, updates and experiences that you guys can get if you follow along socials, and I'll be updating you guys on my personal and Glaim socials too, so definitely stay tuned because everything's just gonna get better and better. Thank you guys so much for being here. I really appreciate all your support. Don't forget to check out Glaim. It's linked right below, so easy to use. Go check it out right now and you will be shocked. It will save you so much time and money, and I hope you love it as much as I do. Thank you guys so much, sending you so much love. Bye.